Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to give the analysis of expert advisor for the rest of the week. So before going to the expert advisor analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, as you know that we are running an expert advisor that works on two pairs, Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD. So I'm going to talk about these two pairs only, and you know that it works on these two pairs. So first of all, you can see that I have set up this expert advisor at 0.01, and I have set up a rule that when my loss exceeds $20, then only I do manual trading using this trading system that you can see that is attached on my chart. So this is the rough page where the expert advisor is attached. So first of all, guys, I'm going to share the review with you that what happened on Friday. You can see a series of profits: 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 and 25, going back to the previous data, and that belongs to 21. So you can see automatically trades were executed: 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and it was giving us a very good profits. Even if we go back, then we have 125 the profit for the 21 of February that belongs to the Friday. Now let's talk about the 20th of February. Now you can see series of profits were also there: 18, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and then let's go back: 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and let's go more back: 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and now if you look at here, 66 cent is the loss. It's 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. Going back more because I want to show you something, and if it was working pretty fine: 1.16, 0.66, 0.068, and going back, and now you can see 1.18, 0.25, 19, 25, 25, 25, 20. Look at this area. So guys, that's what I want to teach you here. Look, 6.4, these are the trades that are manually closed by me, but after making the profit. Now look at here, one of my trade on Euro Canadian dollar was at loss of 6.46, 3.12, and 1.25, and 3.11, 1.25, 0.76, and 0.7. So 0.77. So as I have already mentioned that when my trading drawdown goes more than $20, then I only entered into the manual trading using this trading system. So what I have done on Friday, I have taken a single trade on Euro Canadian dollar into the buy direction. You can see that on Friday we have seen the upward momentum on Euro Canadian dollar, and I have just done scalping because I just have to cover the $20 loss, and I have just done scalping with 0.50, and this is the loss is covered with a single trade, and then again I close these bunch of trades: 0.77, 0.76, 1.25, 3.11, 1.25, 3.12, and 6.46. So guys, why this indicator is providing? I am providing this indicator for free with the expert advisor because it will help you to understand the market. Look, when the market comes into the oversold levels, and if you see that the market is making the bullish pattern from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. If this candle closes above the middle dotted line, then you can buy more. And whenever the pair goes into the top red boundary, and if it's getting the rejection, then you can take a sell positions on the particular pair. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. So this trading system is provided free with this red boundary indicator is provided free with the expert advisor. So now again I'm back to then once I have closed all the bunch of trades because the $20 profit was already made. So what I have done, I have closed all of the losing trades, and then I have restarted my MT4 terminal, and then let the expert advisor again work with 0.01 trading, and that was the results you can see that already happened on 21st of February 2020. So guys, I am using this expert advisor very perfectly. You just need to take there is a requirement that when it requires you that if your loss goes above $20, then only you can take a trade. It's your choice that if you want to cover the $20 with a 0.20 lot size, 0.30 lot size, but I mostly do with 0.50 so that I can cover easily, and then I just go with 0.01 again. So guys, this is a very good expert advisor. It's very powerful. It's automated, but you know there is no 100% strategy in the forex market. So always try to be very careful. So I do not rely 100% on the expert advisor. I use the indicators too. So manual trading is also advisable while using this expert advisor. So guys, if you are looking to get this expert advisor, then if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators separately, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know about the signal service that I provide in the morning, that how I come to know that I am bearish and I'm bullish on a particular pair. If you want to learn that trick, for all these inquiries, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.